Hello dear student, this part of video will cover the simple regression in Eviews estimation of an optimal hedge ratio. We have a data of spot and future contracts. Okay, this example considers the situation where an investor wishes to hedge a long position in S&P 500 using a short position in future contracts. Many academic studies assume that objective of hedging is to minimize the variance of the hedge portfolio in returns. In this case, then the appropriate hedge ratio will be the more important to find out, and the slope of a regression where the dependent variable and we consider the time of spot return, and the independent variable we are considering that future return. This is our dependent variable and this is our independent variable. So let's start the discussion here. The regression will be run using the file SANDP hedge excel. So we have a exact name file here, so see its name of the file. So see what is the next for us. So the Brooks is demanding that we have to use the monthly return of S&P 500 index and S&P 500 index for future contracts are okay. We have to open Eviews, so let's start. Open Eviews. So what the demand of next, and click on new work file or new work file. Here we have a new work file. Create a new work file. Here the question is demanding that we have to use the regular frequency of monthly data, and the data cover from 2002 to Feb 2002 to April 2013. So we have to use it here, data regular frequency and monthly data. We click on monthly, and here 2002 colon 02 for the month, 02 for the month, and 2013 for the month of April. Okay. For this we have to click on OK. When you press the OK, and then two things will be generated in Eviews, that is constant and residual, which we have discussed in our previous video. So if any doubt, you can review your previous video related to the Eviews. Okay, and then we have to click on file, because here in the Brooks demanding that how can you import the data in Eviews file. So click on import from. I have compiled the data in this folder, so that's why here this is the data files and the hedge. Okay, click on OK, press, and then the process of importing will start. Next, and this is the final sheet which Brooks has given here. See, this is the third step, and we have also reached on our third step. So you have to click on finish. So this is the screenshot which Brooks has given in his book page number 87. So click on finish. So yes, so here two data set has been imported in Eviews. So after finishing, now we start our discussion that Brooks is demanding that you have to generate our future with the help of this formula and spot future with the help of this formula. So you can copy this formula from here, copy, and here you can click on generate, paste. So I told you many times that you have to learn these formulas and memorize these formulas, but here we are going only for the practice session, so that's why I copy and paste the formula there. Okay, click on OK, and then see here we have generated a new variable here, R future, and for the next we have generated the other one. And see here Brooks is demanding that don't forget to save the work file call it hedge and Eviews will all edit as a work file one. So keep it in mind that you have to save the work file, but here I am only using for the practice session, so that's why I'm not saving the file, but you have to save it for your safety, because sometime the things will be disappeared, and some technical issues will create a hurdle for you, so that's why you save the data. Okay, here Brooks is demanding that before proceeding to estimate the regression, now that we have to import more than one series, we can examine a number of descriptive stats together and measure of association between these series. For this, Brooks is demanding that click on quick, and after quick then click on group stats. So see here we have a group statistic, so here we have a here we have a group statistic, here we have descriptive stats, and from the descriptive stats you have to use a common or individual sample. So Brooks is demanding for the common sample, so that's why we click on common sample. Okay, here you have to give the name of the variable home descriptive stat you are going to find. So here we have R spot. So see, R spot is visible here, so click on the variable and then press space, and then you select the R future. So this is the R future, click on the, so both variables have been selected, so click on, press on OK, and then see the descriptive stat of these two variables have been generated here, and which is exactly same which the Brooks has given on his page number 88. So here the interpretation of the tape, this particular descriptive stat, this shows that the mean value of R spot is this, and the mean value of R spot, R future is this, and median value is this. So maximum value is 10.0, and for the spot R spot, and the maximum value for the R future is 10. This, and minimum values are these. So here you can see the Jarka value and their probability, and we are not making any interpretation of this particular, because we have a main concern here, find the regression analysis. So so these are the descriptive stats which Brooks has given on the page number 88. So now we are moving towards finding the regression analysis. So close it, and here you have to click on quick, and here estimate equation, click on estimate equation, and here you have to write the exact name of the variables which you are using for the regression analysis. So he is using the R spot, so R spot, this is the R spot space, and then you are very well aware that after selecting the dependent variable you have to write the constant and then select the independent variable, and here we have R future as an independent. Okay, this is the same screenshot which Brooks has given on the page number 89. Page number 89, because we are going to estimate the parameters alpha, beta here. So click on, press on here. By default, simple regression has been selected, that as LS, least square, NLS and ARIMA. So this is for the simple regression. So you have to press on the OK, and this is the simple regression analysis which Brooks has given on the page number 90. The 90 page we have the estimated results of simple regression when we are using R future as independent variable and R spot as dependent variable. Okay, here another technique which I want to mention here, that while selecting dependent and independent variables. So see here you have the R spot as dependent variable, then press then hold the key control on your laptop or your PC. You hold the key control and then select the independent variable. So that's the more easiest way, and then right click, and there we have an equation, open as equation, and then click on OK, and then same screenshot which Brooks has mentioned on page number 89. Okay, see in this by default method a constant is given at the end. You have to remove constant here to put it here. Okay, now press OK, and these are the outcomes of the page number 90. So let's read the interpretation of the simple regression. So see here we have okay, normally you have in your manual session you have see the outcome of the regression line like that. So see here the presentation. So this is your dependent variable, and this is your constant variable, and this is your slope. This is your beta 1, and this is your beta 2 with the independent variable. You can call it alpha and beta. So this is not a big deal. So you have to see here this reveals that 1 unit increase in R future brings 1.07291 unit increase in R spot. So this reveals that there is a positive relationship between R future and R spot. Okay, see if R future has a 0 value, then 0.00640 unit change has been occurring in R spot due to if R future, R independent variable, has a 0 value. So this is the simple interpretation of R independent and dependent variable. Here Brooks has also given on this page number 90 another interpretation. See here Brooks is demanding that see here Brooks is also demanding that you can use the original variable, which is your spot and future. So see here we have the original variable, that is spot and future, and these are our converted variable after formulations. So select R spot and press the control key and hold the control key, and then select the independent variable, and then press right click and then open as equation. So remove the constant from here to and paste here. Okay, then press OK. So here we have estimated analysis. So this reveals that 1 unit increase in future contracts, that 0.995632 unit increase has been occurring in spot. So if our if our independent variable is 0, then 5.494297 unit has been increase has been occurring, because these are constant and are future. Both parameters have positive relationship with our independent variable. So this is our main target of this video, that we have covered the book chapter page number I think 80 from 86, because this example started from 86 to 90. So all the screenshot which Brooks has given us, we have empirically or practically tested in our this Eview's example video. Okay, see you with another video. Ciao.